Hello guys, how are you guys doing? It's a new week and as usual, we do our market outlook every week. Yeah, last week was bearish on GUEU. I think gold was bullish, but yeah, gold was buy to sell, but I think we had a lot of opportunities last week to enter. Yeah, I guess from this place from Tuesday because Monday was creating the high, Tuesday also started it, and then from the same Tuesday, price became bearish last week. You can see we entered from here. We got a break here, break of structure, another opportunity. We entered from here. I think I missed this one. We got another break here, and inducement. We entered from here. This is another block, and we got another break here. No opportunity. We got an inducement here at the retracement. We still entered from the breakout block here. Got another break of structure. We're expecting to enter from here, but price didn't reach here and price sold. So but now let's start with DXY. We are going to be doing a normal market outlook. Okay, let me show you EU. Yeah, EU. Sell from here, and one from here. So expecting price to come up to this place again, this zone here, so that I can still sell. I think that was on Friday. Yeah, but price didn't come back to that place. And gold was also bearish. Gold was also bearish. I was looking for buys here because I saw confirmation to come here and then sell, but price just did this thing as usual. GJ was also, I think it was also a buy to sell. GJ bought first and then sold. Price was just consolidating around that place. Almost all of them sold last week. Okay, CAD JPY was buy, right? Yeah, CAD JPY was sell, and another buy started and another sell. Just looked like price wanted to make a range between these zones. This 30-minute time frame, so it's easier for price to range like that. And lastly, BTC. Yeah, BTC was buying since last week, just buying and giving us more opportunity to enter. And see, inducement, other block, price came there, and we're expecting price to come to this place. Price haven't come back to that place. Give us an inducement, retracement. Already we have a break here, so it's valid. We took another trade, and this one gave us just inducements, but this one was risky though. Inducements, we entered from here, and then price hits our main take profit. And so we had something like this. This was our inducement and what our point of interest, very close to the inducement. Also, there's a big fair value gap here. So see how the buy goes. I think it was after a break here that I entered this one, and on the 15-minute time frame, I was actually expecting price to come to this place on the 15-minute time frame. Let me delete all this so I can show you this one very clear. It's still just the same pattern. You can see that I entered from here, and then price gave us a break of structure. The first pullback is our inducement, right? So I was expecting price to come and sweep here like this and continue buying, but rather price did something different. Price now created another inducement. Now this leg now have an inducement. This is the inducement here. That makes it valid because it actually broke structure. So got it, it broke it. So it's valid. That's also why price now came and used this place and buy. So I hope we get it. See now that price is buying from here. Stop loss can be below here. And your next target will be this high. Now, why are we targeting this high on BTC? It's a key level that was broken. I think on 1 hour you see it's more clear. Our main target is up here. This should be our main target, but it's not a swing trade, so it's okay to target this zone. Okay. So price has already hit take profit already here. So that was it. We also got more opportunity to enter here, but I wasn't looking at the chart because it was weekend. So let's go to the XY, starting from 4 hours. Now last week we were expecting this buy on the XY, or we were still expecting price to come down to this place here. Where's my arrow? Yeah, we're expecting buy from here, and we're expecting price to come down to this place, maybe to buy also, because I think on daily this was a big fair value gap. Yeah, there was a big fair value gap here. This was on, so we were still expecting price to come and fill it, but price never did. Let's go to the weekly time frame. I think today is 16th of March, so it's okay to go to the monthly time frame since it's half of the month already. It's very okay and normal. I will be removing this so my chart won't be too choppy. So we believe that price was coming from this demand down here. You can call it your demand, your demand, or you call it your support. Price was coming from this support and we are going up, right? Now all these places are liquidity and they have been swept. Now price is already leaving liquidity here. In all these places, and this gap is also liquidity. Now this was the highest high here and it has been swept, so it's like saying price run up to this place to take out this liquidity. Up here, let's go down to the weekly time frame so we can still understand more. You know, the more you change time frame, the more you see new things in the market. So this high has been taken out already by last week, this long bullish candle previous week, and then we have a very big gap here. Also another gap below it. Now this is a key level here, or a breaker block. So I believe that price might want to come down to feel coming to this block and buy, or price can still come down to this place to continue buying. I believe that, and why is because this fair value gap here is also a liquidity. So it will be like a magnet to draw price down to this place. And you can see that price is coming from a weekly level. This level down here that this buy started from, I think this was on January 26th, is a weekly key level. Now this level has given us a break, confirming that weekly is bullish. So I strongly believe that price might intend to make reversal from any of this place to come and take part of this liquidity and then continue buying. This is also a key level here, but price can use this one or use this one to sell, or buy more to take out this high. Oh, sorry, buy more to take out this high. So let's go to the daily time frame. What did we have in daily time frame? Last week, price at the end gave us a body break here. You can see that was on Thursday. Price gave us a body break here. So you see that our daily time frame is also bullish. Our weekly time frame is bullish. Why do we say our weekly time frame is bullish? Because price is coming from a weekly level and we have a break to the upside. Now our daily time frame has also given us a break to the upside. This place is now a 1 day strong swing. So we are soon going to be expecting reversals. The reversal might be from here, or price might intend to take out this high here. Price might choose to take out this high and then make a retracement to continue buying. But we can only say we can what's it called again? We can only just analyze the markets. The markets still have a mind of its own. So from down here, you see that price is bullish from this zone here. Price is still bullish. Let me see for hours. For hour, we have a break too on 4 hour time frame. So there's possibility that we can be looking for buys from here. See that this, if you go back to your weekly time frame, you see that this is exactly that same weekly spot that I marked. This place where I said price might intend to fill this gap and then start buying. Go to the daily time frame. It also rhyme with a daily key level, you see. And then now this whole buy around this daily time frame started when price touched this OCL and then came back to retest it and buy. If you go to 1 hour, you see it more better. I don't like going to 1 hour when I make my market outlook, but let me show you guys. Look at it. This was a break of structure, a break to the upside. Price made a retracement to this zone and started buying. So let's go up to 4 hours back. So we see that this also around that same zone. See that everything is now corresponding. So there's possibility that we might be looking for buys from here this week. This thing, yeah, buys this week. Buy. And also there's still possibility that price will just continue buying from here, come up to this place and then the market will want to sell. So I think that will be all for the XY. Let me add this watermark. Mhm. So you see that everything rhyme. From here, price might choose to start selling, or price may want to buy up to that level first before selling. So this on the XY. Let's see Euro USD. We still start from the monthly time frame. You see that price is coming from a level above here, this place, and then price is distributing down to this place. Now, this is a monthly key level, and I think it's with a weekly key level. That is why price is rejecting from it, and we have a very big displacement here. We'll go down to the weekly time frame. Let me remove some of this. So we're on a weekly time frame. This bearish candle this last week, and this small one that is creating itself now is from this week. So same thing here, a very big displacement. I think let me refine this to this place. Yeah, a very big displacement. Price is coming from this place here, and I think where price might be going to, all this liquidity have been swept. If you look at this place here, look like a trend line liquidity. Look at it. So all this one have been swept, except this place. Then means that price might still take this low. Price might still take this low and come down to maybe this zone or this one below it. So on the daily time frame now, this was a break to the downside, and this was also a break, making this an external break for me. So let me say for hours. Let me remove this one. Now for 4 hour time frame, this is also a strong zone because price has given us a break to the downside, and between here to here, this around the 50%, exactly where the level where we mark from the weekly. So this zone here on the weekly time frame has a very big displacement. So we're expecting price to feel it, come to this 50% and give us a quick sell. So this zone is also a daily key level, this place where price is reacting from. So we're expecting something like this week. And on GBP USD, we're going to also start from the monthly. GBP USD is coming from a key level here. You can see a key level here, a key level here. And price is also bearish on GBP USD. There's an OCL here on this monthly time frame where price is making rejection from. We also have one down here. But now let me remove all this. The lines are much. Okay, now on a weekly time frame, you see that this was a break to the downside, sweep of liquidity, and we have another break here. There's another break here. Now all the liquidity above here, all this one here, see that all of them was swept, and price is coming down. As price is coming down, it's building liquidity here also. So in the future, price will start buying to take out all those liquidity. But for now, if you would ask me, I would say that price might want to come to this place to sweep these ones. So this last week candle, this bearish one, but it doesn't have much displacement like the other one. Let's see daily. Let me mark the skill level first, and let's see daily. Okay, I don't know if it's my network, but the chart is taking long to load. Okay, I guess it's back now. So now On a daily time frame, we have a break to the downside. See that we have a break to the downside and multiple internal break, showing that the internal structure is bearish for now. Let me go back to a weekly to look for a level above it. That should be this one or this one. This is a break of structure. We have this break of structure. Now, all this level here will serve not just as inducements but as roadblock. So they'll serve as places where price will want to test to make retracement from. Now, on the 4 hour time frame, we also have a break to the downside. You can see clearly that price is bullish. This place now is our 4 hour strong swing. So it means that if price reacts to any level here that is strong enough to push price, then we're going to be expecting a buy like this to any of this zone to continue selling, so that we are going to then have another break of structure. I don't know if you guys understand. We already have a break here due to the fact that last week was bearish, right? So now there's possibility that we'll have a retracement like this and another break. So should go back. Let me remove all this. Now let's go to gold. Okay, I didn't screenshot this. XAU USD. We'll go to the monthly time frame too. Okay. Last month was bullish, February, and then March is bearish. Yeah, I think March is just looking for more liquidity, grabbing more liquidity to buy. So last 2 week was bearish, last week was bearish. And what am I expecting from this week? Let's see what we have here. We have this key level here. There's no fresh key level here except the unfresh one. Otherwise, I don't think there's no key level, any fresh key level here. All these are all unfresh. Let me see. Okay. Let me see daily time frame. Okay, on the daily time frame, all these are internal breaks, internal break, another internal break, making this an inducement price, swept it, swept again. I believe that price is coming to this around this place to buy. So last week, was this last week? Sorry, let me get to daily first. Okay, last 2 week, price came to this place last 2 week and pushed down, and since then price has been selling. But I'm not really seeing anything here except that price has swept this low. Let me go to 4 hour. Okay, on a 4 hour time frame, we had this break here, this break, and price push up. Now this one is inducement, so we're expecting price to buy from this zone. Price just made an intent to buy and then start dumping again. But we need to know where is price going to. Now we now know that price is coming from this place here. Price is coming from this supply here. Here. But the real question here is this: where is price going to? Because we know for sure that price is seeking for liquidity. And we find this to this zone. If you ask me, let me see weekly if there's anything I will find here. I think price is coming for liquidity. That's all. Price is coming to take out liquidity because this zone here have been, look, this low was swept. Now this one now will be a strong low because it swept liquidity and then break structure to the upside, push price higher. Now all this low remaining low here will now serve as liquidity. And on the daily time frame, okay, this was the low we mark from weekly. I think price is coming to clear this low. This one is also a strong low because it swept the previous low and broke structure. Got it? This one here swept this low and gave us a break of structure, both internal and external. So I think this zone here might be able to hold price. And if this zone doesn't hold price, then price will be coming down to this zone and probably price will sweep all this zone. Those lows, all of them are going. So I believe this place will be able to hold price this week to push price higher. So we're expecting a buy from here. If this buy starts, then this will be the next target. The next draw on liquidity will be this high and then the highest one. So for now, we're expecting something to look like a buy, a, a sell to buy. Price can give us sales to this zone and then buy. So that is for gold. Let's see GBP JPY. GBP JPY. See monthly first. I think I should remove some of this. GBP JPY last month was bullish. Last month was bullish. And sorry, I said last month was bullish. Last month was bearish, and this month is bullish. Price just jumped to this zone and start buying. So let's see weekly time frame. I think this will be our next draw on liquidity. This high here. You can see that price is buying gradually. Last week was bullish. Then price drill down to this place. But another thing I'm concerned on is this pattern here. This pattern here is a CRT. This is CRT. The CRT high have been swept and price closed below it. Now there's possibility that the low is going to be swept also. So there's possibility that price will sell to this one. But we can't say for sure. But we know that our draw on liquidity is this high. This is where price is targeting. Price is coming from a level below this zone. Yeah, let's see daily. So you can see that from February 17, price has been bullish, 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 bullish. Okay, this was the low I mark. This place is a liquidity zone. So on the 4-hour time frame, we have this swing here, believing that this place is a break of structure, a break, a retracement. Now this is another structure forming, another break. So I'm expecting price to come to this zone and buy with confirmation. But if there's no confirmation here to buy, then this low, this is the CRT low, this is low. So price can come and take it out and buy or continue selling. So let me see daily. Believe we can dump from here. I think I have to move over this. My chart is getting choppy. So I guess that's it. So to this zone, buy or I don't know why this thing takes time. So I think that will be all. Which other one are we going to? Let's just look at BTC lastly. This BTC have been bearish for months now. BTC have been bearish since last year, July, I think. It was in October that price made the highest high, I guess, right? Yeah, in October, price made its highest high on October. And since then, price has been bearish. So, but this month looks bullish. We're still in the middle of the month, though. We can't say for sure. Last week was also bullish. Last week was bullish. Last 2 week was bullish, but made a lot of rejection. And I think this high here, price will want to take it. Price started from down here. On the daily time frame, price came to this zone here, came to this zone and started buying. Came back to another key level here. And we believe that this place here will go and price will come back to any of these zones to continue buying. We know for sure that price is a bit more bullish than bearish. You know that we'll have to stick to the current price action. So, but we believe the price is coming to any of these key levels above here. The lines were too much. So this is the liquidity that price is coming to. This one, this relative equal highs. So today, this is crazy, very crazy. I think price can come to this place to continue buying. We already have a break. I don't want to go down, but price can come to this place and then continue buying on BTC. So I guess that will be all for now. You guys should take care of yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also if you want to join my Telegram channel, you can click the link on my bio on any of my social media to join. Or you simply drop a comment. I'll share you the link. I think on YouTube I didn't add it to my bio, but if you comment, I'll send you the link. I'll also add the link to the video description. So take care of yourself, guys. Bye and stay tuned for more.